Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In Python, understanding scoping and recursion is essential for writing efficient and organized code. Scoping defines the visibility and accessibility of variables within different parts of your code, while recursion is a programming technique where a function calls itself. In this tutorial, we will explore both concepts, starting with scoping and then delving into recursion. Scoping in Python refers to the rules that define where variables are accessible and where they are not. Python has three main types of variable scopes. Local scope, variables declared within a function are only accessible within that function. They have local scope. Enclosing scope, variables in the surrounding functions, if any, are also accessible within the inner function. This is called an enclosing scope. Global scope, variables declared outside of all functions are considered global and are accessible from any part of the code. Let's illustrate these concepts with code examples. In this example, the inner underscore function can access variables from both the global and enclosing scopes. However, the local underscore var is only accessible within the inner underscore function. Recursion is a programming technique where a function calls itself to solve a problem. It is particularly useful when solving problems that can be divided into smaller, similar subproblems. To ensure a recursive function doesn't run indefinitely, a base case is required to terminate the recursion. Let's create a simple example of a recursive function to calculate the factorial of a number. In this example, factorial 5 calls itself with n1 until it reaches the base case, where n becomes 0. It then starts returning values back up the call stack, multiplying them along the way. The final result is the factorial of 5. Understanding scoping and recursion is crucial for writing effective Python code. Scoping defines where variables are accessible, while recursion is a technique for solving problems by breaking them down into smaller, similar subproblems. By mastering these concepts, you'll be better equipped to write organized and efficient Python code. ChatGPT